at freedom part of India, time of India, at that time there was huge province that is called as Punjab. Now, in 1935, Punjab was partitioned off and northwest frontier region that was separated from Punjab territory that was carried out by Britishers. While leaving India, Britishers decided to break down India into Pakistan and India, two dominations. At that time, there was dispute because the principle is applied, that is the Muslim majority region should be given as Pakistan. Then entire Punjab was not Muslim dominated, and therefore it was decided to break up Punjab. A commission was set up under a person named as Radcliffe, and he made a line that is called as Radcliffe line, that is the partition line of Punjab. So this is again partition of Punjab between East Punjab and West Punjab. West Punjab was given to Pakistan, East Punjab was there in India. It is called as Punjabi Subha at that time. But as this linguistic states formation started, then there was demand that Punjabi speakers should have Punjab, a separate state, whereas Haryanavi speakers, or rather Hindi dominated area, should be given as Haryana. And like that, a dispute was there. A commission was set up that is called as Shah Commission. In April 1966, they decided that there should be split of Punjab, and Punjab was split up as Haryana and Punjab, two different states, whereas hilly area of Punjab that was connected to union territory that is called as Himachal Pradesh. So totally Punjab Subha was divided into three parts, rather I should say, today's Punjab state, today's Haryana state, and parts of Himachal Pradesh. At that time, Himachal Pradesh was union territory. So, okay, it is no bad thing that one can form state very easily if demand is there. But thing is that after formation of state, Congress government was confused as usual. Means they kept common capital for Haryana and Punjab. I don't know why. Many cities are there in Haryana as well as many cities are there in Punjab. So why they kept Chandigarh as common capital of Haryana and Punjab, it is beyond my imagination. If you are able to get proper answer, you can mention in the comment that why common capital was there. And again, Chandigarh was not belonging to anybody, is not belonging to anybody. Chandigarh is union territory. It is neither belonging to Punjab nor belonging to Haryana. Even High Court for Punjab and Haryana is the same. Whereas various projects, inclusive of irrigation and all that, they are running in the both state commonly. So the first thing, why they separated out Haryana and Punjab? And if separated, then why don't they separate it out entirely as independent states under dominion status? So that is not very clear. But this way, Punjab and Haryana, two states were formed. That's why we are saying now number increases to 70. Because yet Himachal Pradesh is not considered as a state. It was part of union territory.